tnad Ialehkai ke Jylla Bah Shakliar Warjri hynne ke sngi ula pynbna baka Meghalaya Games kan Sdang Naduh ke 15TARIK mentau bnai Nongbah Tura. Haba pynbna ya kani Myntri ula pyntip ru bakin don haduh arpu tylli ki jait jingialehkai kiba kilai hajar tam Ialehkai na kylleng ke Jylla kinwan ban shim bynta.
Athletes, we have about 3,000 plus, and with officials and everyone, I think about 3,300. That's the numbers we're looking at. We have 22 disciplines till date. We're spending about more than 22 crores. I believe you touched 23. Times to make sure that all our athletes, their accommodation are being looked at. And recently we just had a review meeting, so everything is being done, everything is being prepared, so there's no need to worry about the accommodations. Based on how to promote sports in our state, to give a chance to a youth to showcase their talent, and I believe with this it will help them a lot. So that is one of the main objectives, and we want to host Meghalaya Games because we're giving them a platform to grow, and hoping that through this someday they'll emerge as they can even take part in national games as well. It's just that we have taken venues of various schools and colleges, so just a touch-up of renovations is being needed. But there are a few stadiums that is being constructed, like the track and field that was constructed I think last year, so it will be done by this December itself.
Since
There's no such as main venue because it depends on the disciplines. When we talk about football, we have the PA Summer Stadium. When we talk about basketball, we have the Bosco school. So all that, so various locations. It's just not in one location.